Have you been thinking about buying a home in near future but not sure how much you can qualify for? It's always a great idea to speak with the qualified mortgage lender, but if you're not there yet or if you're not ready yet, there is another way to get an idea. So I want to show you this website. It's a ratehub.ca website. When you go on this website, you can punch in your purchase price. So in this case, I put the purchase price of 1 million. That's the median purchase price here in Mississauga or GTA in general. Assuming you're putting down 20% down payment, your down payment will be 200,000, and because you're putting 20% down payment, you're not paying the CMHC fee. So your mortgage that you will get from the bank is 800,000. Now, typically the amortization period is 25 years. You can play around with this number, and let's just say hypothetically you are getting a mortgage rate of 5.39%, which is 5 years fixed. It is a still good rate compared to what I've seen outside, which is 6.5%. Let's assume that you have a great credit and you do get this rate. Your monthly mortgage payment would be $4,832. Now, let's say if you are a first-time home buyer. If you're a first-time home buyer, you do expect to get the credit from the land transfer tax, which is about $4,000 in this case or this example. Now, how much money you will need to bring to the closing table on the closing day, which is 215,175. And again, this is all just a general idea. And your monthly expense would be $5,386. Let's see, where did that come from? Your majority of your chunk of payment will go to your mortgage payment. Your property tax is approximately $500 a month. Monthly debt payment is zero, assuming you have no other debts. Utilities, you're paying about $185, $50 for insurance, about $40 for home phone, $60 for internet or TV, and $45 for an internet. So all in all, you're paying about $5,300 as your mortgage, as your monthly payment. Now the question comes, let's just say hypothetically, if this is your payment, do you feel comfortable to realize your lifelong dream of owning a house in this market condition and take advantage of this market condition? Because the property prices have come down for what it used to be in past couple of years, and number two, there are very few qualified buyers available out there on the market, which means there is less competition, which means if you do like a property in your desirable area, you can buy that subject to condition of finance or home inspection. You do have that option. Doesn't happen all the time, but it has been happening. Sellers are willing to accept those conditions right now. So the question comes, before you even go further, before you even talk to a mortgage agent or realtor, does this even remotely possible in the realm of your expenses? If your answer is yes, or it's possibly in a short or long term you can afford this kind of payment, then you should definitely consider buying a home in today's time. It's a great opportunity. You're gonna get a good type of properties to pick from. We have a lot of inventory right now because inventory properties are taking a little bit longer to sell. On an average, it takes about 30 to 35 days for a home to sell in the GTA. Having said that, your first step is to check yourself if you can afford the mortgage payments. If you do, then the next step is to speak with a realtor. And why realtor and not mortgage agent? The why realtor is because the realtor will be able to assist you to refocus your efforts in the right direction. And most of the realtors, the good realtors, they do have their own power team, like trusted people that they work with, whether it's a mortgage agent, lawyer, insurance agent, and so on and so forth. So if you do work with a good realtor, they will help you to guide you in the right direction and will give you a more frictionless experience buying a home. Let's be honest, guys, buying a home is stressful as it is. You do not want to be in a situation where you try to do things on your own, and nothing wrong with that, but as a one person you can do so much. And this unless you're super familiar with the whole process, it is best to talk to one person who can guide you in a right direction and help you to deliver you that seamless transition or buying experience. So If that is something you're interested in, and if you know someone you want to talk to, absolutely go for that. If you don't have anyone to speak with right now, please reach out to me. I'm a licensed realtor here in the GTA, and I do have power team. We do help first time home buyers as well as investors, and we can guide you in the right direction. There's no obligation. At least if you do speak with us, you will be able to make an informed decision going forward. And that is all I say. Always make an informed decision, so that way you know what you're getting into or walking away from. That way there are no surprises. I hope you found some value here. My contact information is down below. Reach out to me if you have any questions, and I will leave the link of this calculator in the down below description as well. Take care.